Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Apple ID that's currently linked to the iPad and the correct password. This is essential because activation lock ties to that account. Once connected to Wi-Fi and with sufficient battery, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Then choose Sign Out and enter the Apple ID password when prompted. That step disables Find My on the device. If you have the credentials, this is the fastest, secure way to begin removing the lock. If you cannot sign out on the device, you can remove activation lock from iCloud. Using the linked Apple ID. Sign into iCloud, open Find iPhone, then choose the iPad from all devices. Erase the iPad remotely. Once the erase completes, use Remove from Account to clear the lock and detach the device from your Apple ID. This makes the iPad ready for a fresh setup. Make sure you wait until the remote erase finishes before attempting to set up the iPad again. After removing the account, restart the iPad and proceed through the initial setup screens to verify activation lock no longer appears. You should be prompted to create or sign into a new Apple ID. If you don't have the original credentials and the lock persists, contact the prior owner or, as a last resort, Apple support. Make sure to bring the original purchase receipt and matching photo ID. Apple may remove the lock only after verifying ownership. This is the key troubleshooting path if remote removal fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.